Hello, it's Thursday, which means it's spelling test day. I gave you one of these sheets, even though you're doing CKLA words, because we can use the sheet to do the words and it will make it a little easier for me. So the very first thing you're going to do is write your name. Let me make sure I can write on mine to show you. So on your sheet, you'll write your name. Use those fence posts or fence dashes to help you. Today's date is October 14th. Fall break starts tomorrow. That will be nice, huh? Okay, so we were spelling based on prefixes this week. So the very first thing we're going to do is write our prefixes on the top. So the prefixes that we had were non, un, and in. So you'll write those down. Then as I give you the words, don't worry about these numbers right here. You're just going to write any non-words underneath non, any un-words underneath un, and any in-words underneath in. Okay, and as soon as I'm done with these words, don't turn the video off because there's going to be some things on the back that you write as well. Okay, your first word that you'll write under one of the columns is nonfiction. We read nonfiction books, nonfiction. Your next word is enjoy. I enjoy having you come to third grade. Enjoy. Your next word is unlikely. It is unlikely that I'll get to teach you next year. Unlikely. If I'm going too fast, you can back it up or you can pause at any point. Your next word is unusual. It's unusual for two classes to be together like we are. Unusual. Nonstop. Sometimes I feel like there's nonstop talking. Nonstop. Non-issue. It's a non-issue if we have recess during Reading Horizons time, because we don't have recess during Horizons time. Non-issue. Ensure. I will ensure that you learn a lot this year. Ensure. Unsettle. Sometimes it feels like we are unsettled, but the word's really just unsettle. It doesn't have a suffix on it, so it's just unsettle. So the house will unsettle from the foundation. I'm not sure if that's a good sentence, but there's something for you. Unsettle. The next word is unable. I am unable to give you 100% unless you get them all right. I will. Unable. Entrust. I entrust you. Will do the best job. Entrust. Nonsense. We will have two bonus words that are nonsense words. Nonsense. Nonverbal. The baby was nonverbal. Nonverbal. Enclose. We had to enclose the trailer. Enclose. Successful. Unsuccessful. Sorry, unsuccessful. I know you will not be unsuccessful at this test. Unsuccessful. Unrest. There was a lot of unrest after recess. Unrest. Okay, so you should have 15 words total. Make sure they're all spelled the way you want them to be spelled and they're in the right columns. And then you're going to turn your paper over and we're going to do some things on the back. So let me exit out of this one and I'll scroll down. Okay, let me bring that up again. Didn't mean to exit out of that. Let me bring the paper back up. Sorry, I didn't mean to exit out. Okay, on the back of your test or your page, there's some more stuff to do. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So first we're going to write the most common words. So the most common words are our heart words that we worked on this week. So you are going to, similar to what we did on the pre-test, you will write them in the first column, and then if you want any corrections, you can rewrite them in the second column correctly. Okay, so the first heart word that you're going to write and heart is have. I have the best students, have. The next word that you're going to write is do. Do your best on this test, do. The next word you're going to write is give. I give a lot to be a good teacher, give. Your next word is live. I live on Main Street, live. Your last word is to. I will give candy to you if you trick or treat at my house, to. Okay, write all of your most common words. Make sure they have hearts. If you need to make any corrections, do that in the second column. Then we're going to go down here and do our first sentence. Our first sentence. Okay, our first sentence is, Stan did not drop the glass. Stan did not drop the glass. Listen closely. Stan did not drop the glass. And if you look right here on your sheet, don't forget capitalization and punctuation because there's a point for it. Okay, let's go to the second one. We have 6 swim passes. We have 6 swim passes. Listen closely. We have 6 swim passes. Okay. Make sure you've wrote those correctly, that you don't have any spelling mistakes or punctuation or capitalization mistakes. And then I'm going to give you the bonus. The bonus you could write right here, because there's just 4 words in the bonus, so you could fit them right there on your sheet. Okay, your first bonus word is dwisk. I always dwisk the food together as quickly as I can. Dwisk. Your next bonus is bless. I like to bless my hair in the morning and make sure that it looks good. Bless. Okay, your next bonus word is tosses. She tosses her hair back and forth. Tosses. And your last bonus word is foxes. There were a lot of foxes that ran past my house, foxes. So make sure your words are spelled correctly. Make sure you have capitals, periods, all the markings, because you will not get the word right if it's not marked correctly. So make sure you have all of those things. When you're done, get the checklist from Miss Hackney and check everything on it, and then you can turn it in. I hope you did well.